Introducing the 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take life's challenges in stride in the fully capable Tahoe. Spacious and quiet, athletic and safe, it's a powerful ally awaiting your command. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: third row seat, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, premium sound system, remote engine start, power liftgate, 8-cylinder engine, third row seat, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control. Getting the job done feels good. Getting it done in upscale comfort feels even better. Drive the Tahoe.